How to fix iMessage and FaceTime waiting for activation error. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. You'll see the option of airplane mode. Toggle on for this. Now wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and then toggle it off. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, scroll down. Open the option of FaceTime. Toggle off for this option of FaceTime. Hit back. Open the option Messages. Toggle off for this option of iMessage. Now wait for a few minutes and again toggle it on and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, open this option of General. Scroll down. Open the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your password over here and continue with the process. Likewise, another thing you can do is head back to the main page of settings. Open your Apple ID. Click on Sign Out. Once you sign out of your Apple ID, go back. Open the option General. Scroll down, click on the option Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, again turn it back and sign into your Apple ID and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iMessage and FaceTime waiting for activation error. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.